Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Miranda and my ID student number 05071282227016 from group 736. Today I be retelling passage 3, which challenge everything we knew about the most famous dinosaur, the Tyrannosaurus rex. We usually think of T-Rex as a fast and scary monster, but recent research show a different story. Many of us grew up believing that T-Rex was the Ferrari of dinosaurs, very fast and very dangerous. However, scientists now suggest that T-Rex was actually a bit slow and cumbersome. Instead of sprinting like a superstar, its usual running speed was only about 25 kilometers per hour. To give you a comparison, that is like a snail pace if we compare it to a modern cheetah, which can run at 100 kilometers per hour. So, the T-Rex wasn't exactly a speed demon. Another interesting fact is about its agility. Today, predators in Africa can change direction almost instantly, but for a T-Rex, not so much. Because of its massive size and very long tail, it had to turn very slowly. If a human can spin 45 degrees in a tiny fraction of a second, a T-Rex would need about 2 seconds just to make the same turn. If it tried to run too fast, it would probably tumble over. Fortunately for the T-Rex, its favorite food, like the Triceratops, was also just as slow and clumsy. Research found this fact using computer models and biomechanical calculation. They studied fossil measurements and concluded that an average T-Rex weighed between 6 to 8 tons. Its top speed was calculated at 40 kilometers per hour. Now, here is a scary thought: an Olympic sprinter runs at about 35 kilometers per hour. That means, even though T-Rex was slow for a dinosaur, it was still fast enough to catch a human. If we live at the same time as the T-Rex, we probably wouldn't be able to outrun it. In conclusion, the T-Rex might not be as fast as a Ferrari, but it was still a powerful predator that we should be glad is no longer around today. That is all for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.